Great morning to everyone. My name is Miko Josepe Fernandez, 22 years old and currently living at Dasmariñas City, Cavite. I'm a fourth year college student taking a Bachelor of Science and Criminology at National College of Science and Technology. I just finished recently my on-the-job training at Bureau of Fire Protection and Philippine National Police Dasmariñas. My experience, there's such an amazing journey. All of the knowledge I have learned from the personnel will have a great impact in my career. I am passionate towards the career I choose and I have strong desire to learn and contribute. My academic background and enthusiasm for understanding criminal behavior drive my ambition to pursue practical experience. I'm eager to apply all of my skill and knowledge for able to be an effective employee on your company. Thank you for considering my application. I am excited about the possibility of contributing to your company and growing professionally with your team. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how my background and skill align with the position available.